I'm something else on him.
My
fucking boob is itching!
He looks like a frog. Not really, his eyes are a frog.
What's good? What's good? Hello?
Hello.
Who this? Yo, this? Oh, dude, you don't even know who this is? You don't know who this is? Dude, it's your nigga from down the street. How the hell you don't know who the fuck this is? Who the fuck's calling you at 5 in the morning? Yeah. Yo, y'all nigga was telling me you got this hot ass girlfriend. She's got like, I don't know, she's like hourglass. She's got this huge ass. Dude. So hot. Yeah, Kiara, man. Nice ass. Like double D tits too, man. Who is this? It's your nigga from down the street. Hey, guess what? Hey! Hello? Oh man, tell me. I got this block party to go to.
Faith.
Bye.